What's up, everybody? It's the Kind of Collector here. Hope you're having an awesome weekend. In this week's episode, I'm going to change it up just a little bit for you Super 7 reaction figure fans. I collected the Jaws figures when they were released years back. I actually had a custom 3.75-inch Orca boat from the movie Jaws made to fit with the figures, to photograph them, video them. This is one of my favorite movies of all time when it was released back in June 20th in 1975. We just had the 49th anniversary. That's why I wanted to do this video on Jaws this week instead of my normal Star Wars stuff. So let's go ahead and check this boat out right now. And here it is, my 3.75-inch scale Orca fishing boat. You remember from the 1975 film Jaws, directed by Steven Spielberg. This was Quint's fishing boat. They hired him to go out and track down the monster great white shark named Jaws. When this movie came out, it changed the entire film industry, the way it was shot, the cinematography. It was an amazing movie, one of my favorite movies as a kid, and I had to get a 3.75-inch scale model to go with these Super 7 reaction figures when they came out. So let's go ahead and break this down, go through the features, and show the figures as well.
Wait a second. There are two ways to deal with this problem. You're either going to kill this animal or you're going to cut off its food supply.
Here we have the front of the Orca. You see Quint there with his harpoon gun. You can see how he scales with this boat. This is actually made by a guy in Greece that makes some amazing dioramas, Star Wars sets, pretty much anything he can make. He's an amazingly talented craftsman. He's got stuff on Etsy, eBay. Go check him out. I love the design of this boat. When I asked him if he could make this, he just asked me what scale. And I think it shipped like a week later, and I got it like 2 weeks after that. So this is, a must-have if you collect the Super 7, and you got these original Jaws figures when they came out. I display this on a shelf, also in my Star Wars room. Let's go ahead and check out the backside. And here's the backside of the Orca boat. You can see the letters. The paint job on this is fantastic. There's even a chum bucket. The detail that he puts into his dioramas, his models, is second to none. You can see how all three figures scale with the Orca boat. It's got the huge mast, the ladder that goes up to the second deck with the steering wheel and everything. That actually comes off. I'll show that here in a second. And it's even got the exhaust pipe from the boat's engine there on the left. The fishing pole here that's tied to the chair. This chair actually is removable. And you have Chief Brody, you have Hooper as well down on the lower deck. And that door opens and closes. So let's go ahead and check out the inside of the Orca. And here's inside the Orca when you remove that second or that top deck. And you can see this is one of my favorite scenes from the film where they're having a couple of beers, a couple of drinks, trying to figure out how to kill this damn shark. And the detail inside the cabin here is awesome. Another steering wheel, cabinets, the bench, the table. Like I said, the door that opens and closes. So just an awesome design. The wood paneling, just an amazing job on this diorama replica of the Orca boat. And then panning out to the back of the boat, back to the front of the boat. And I like using this blue tissue paper as water. I'm obviously not going to put this thing in water. If anybody else has a better idea for fake water, for photography, videography, let me know.
Keep that chum line going, Chief. We got 5 good miles on it. Who's driving this boat? Nobody. Tide.
Slow ahead? I can go slow ahead. Come down here and chum some of this shit. Jaws emerges. I love this chum bucket on the back. Amazing detail on this. You have even the little life preserver here that has the word Orca on it. Again, more details on the ship, even the hull, and then the front here. It's an amazing diorama piece.
My life. Just watch my hand take a steady, Mr. Hooper. Touch the end of this line to the first keg.
Hooper, get a barrel ready. He's coming back around. Love this scene from the movie. All the barrels here, even the rope. Again, just all the details. Quint out on the deck out there. Attach that damn barrel already. He's coming right at us. He even included this detachable barrel with those that are sitting down inside the deck. Another awesome scene from Jaws.
Wait. There it is.
What do you say, Chief?
The barrel is up. It's right in the stern.
You're gonna need a bigger boat. I got him. And this is just some Jaws shark. I don't even remember where I got this one from. Super 7 makes one. I like this version better for the scale and everything to go with this Orca boat.
Okay, I'm ready.
And how awesome is this? He even built a mini shark cage. And there you can see I got Hooper in there. With Jaws coming at him. Awesome work. And lastly, here are the Super 7 reaction figures. I got these little acrylic cases for them. Mint on card. You have Chief Brody, Quint, and Hooper. And that's a wrap on this week's video. I hope you all enjoyed my breakdown of my custom 3.75-inch scale Orca boat from the original movies Jaws. Thanks again for tuning in. I really appreciate the support. If you like what I'm doing, throw a like on this video. Hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps support the channel. And until next time, collect the Kenner and the Super 7.